and take up artists, say them a boss artists, them a ramp. The party artists them then take up put out there. And it could have been better. Yeah. So live for life, they all away when they are town. Local Nai, Goldie. The whole away Munga. Where Munga used to run the same way. Shay no, all of we did up a town, J Island. They may tell up a common sense said way. And I tried enough place at town. All they say Ishy a bad artist. Yeah. Rasta they not bust nobody neither. They not set up no foundation. They not do no school. They not do nothing at all. Me not see them a do.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
So the conversation about which artist now put no artist a road, which artist now bust no artist start again. Yeah, you know say a long time the conversation they are going do. I know not new. Cause people always say, yo, the artist here now push no artist a road, him a big artist, but we not hear him a bust no young artist. Them thing they are going long time. And then just recently, Joshy interview when do trigger that conversation to be started again. Can remember in the Joshy interview, Joshy did mention say, yo, the artists them make it international from out of Jamaica. Now do no collab with the young upcoming artists them out of Jamaica. He mentioned like Shaggy, Sean Paul and Shabba Ranks. Them people there. See it? I may agree with what Joshy say in that interview there. Totally. Now, Ishy, I touch upon a point right here. So big up to Ishy. Ishy I say, yo, the Rasta community nah boss no artists. She say, yo, we not talk about Shaggy and Sean Paul and them people. They want to the Rasta community. The artists them we don't break up big. But nah, put the youth them where they run them a road. That's what Ishy I talk about. Now as me say, me agree with what Joshy say. I know everything where Ishy say, me agree with 100%. But me I go tell you now what me feel in at the end. After we don't listen to Ishy. Zane, come back with me.
You know what I mean? Say up it up, don't clean out and dirty up. Bag of things me have to say, you see. Them a talk about Sean Paul and Shaggy and Shabba and the whole of them and help the artists them. I want to talk about the Rasta them. Real way, proper way. Cause me there round the eye them from town to Mobile. And I don't know if I'm afraid the people them afraid to call all of the general them and the dada them name. But the truth must be told, and me say truth, as I'm a Rastafari. Hear what me say now. King Shango, I'm a general, I'm a father, I'm a grandfather. Any you want put it. From town, one of your shop at days, and live a lifetime. Yeah. Whole heap of artists on a Shango. Whole heap of artists. Me no see Shango put none of them out there. Yeah, Jah Fire, bless up yourself. Jah Thunder, bless up yourself. Local Nai, bless up on yourself. This time I say all the ones, them don't know Ishy, man, Ishy. But you may have many names. Ishy, Isha Farai. And me I say, Sizzla, Dada, you don't put nobody out there neither. Whole heap of artists up a judgment yard. Me not see the eye them put out the artists them too. Establish them, make them go do their works out the same way. The great Luciano, nobody. Me no overs. Them should have Rastafari, we should have Royal Studio. But the eye them set foundation for upcoming artists like we. Yeah, if you go Vice. And have all bed. And breakfast. For y'all who can make it where they figure if stay over. The truth must be told. May I tell us, Tony Rebel there, a Queen Ifrika in artist. Yeah, give thanks. Tony Rebel, I'm a general, same way. Give thanks everything what you do for your father Rebel, same way. Because you make live for life could have fly out and all of them things there and put them on like a petition them. We have to give thanks. But the truth is the truth. See, Mama Queen there. Ifrika no put out no artist out there neither Queen. Then there your foot said way. You put me on show, me give thanks. You call me up, I shell down your show. When me I get it forward, truth must be told. You tell me, you say, Ishy, I know your show, you can't take the show. And Queen, you're my artist. No, me rate you. Or you can DJ, you chop up rhythm and how you deal with him. But I don't lie, me there your foot Queen at all. Yeah, and see it there? We not out there. The truth must be told. All of the Rasta them with the talk. See, them forward say they have reggae revival there. Because they think reggae dead. And take up artists, say them about artists, them a ramp. The party artists them then take up put out there. And it could have been better. Yeah. See, live for life, they all away when they are town. Local Nai, Goldie. The whole away, Munga. Where Munga used to run the same way. Shano, all of we did up a town, J Island. They may tell up a common sense said way. And I tried enough place at town. All they say Ishy a bad artist. Yeah. Rasta they not bust nobody neither. They not set up no foundation. They not do no school. They not do nothing at all. Me not see them a do. So somebody need to address that too. Big and serious. Because Rastafari is the Almighty Haile Selassie Empress Menenai. And the teachings of Rastafari way. Where the foundation there. Where the foundation them for all we have upcoming artists. See Ifrika, the Ifrika found down a mobile so. Mama Queen, bless up yourself, you're my artist, and you know Ishy love you from them time there. I mean, never go around none of your thing them yet. But the truth is the truth. See up a bingy yard there, up a pit 4. I well want Rastafari rise Ishy Tafari to the fullness. We show no one to use your money and use your glory. The truth must be told. The rest of them not put nobody out them either. We think should a royal and official. That me I say. So all them attack and attack, all like people them not have no heart, they not no love. We follow them go studio, me they are everywhere. Put it all in a song. They say look like for my music now go work. So if you pray the site or chicken for a jerk. Or when we find the song, they want to sing it for us. And they are studio, they want to get a line much as a verse. All of we are artists, and think of them first come start this. Burn me heart, every song push right they want it. Them don't want to see on stage and chant it, but cassava they want we plant it. And me say hungry days round rich friends. Them not have no care only for them bends. Some want the people them to share that video and make the people them see it and know. You know, to free up the artists them man. You see a one talent, one about go round the fact. And one can't take your space you have already, you know. None of no big artists out there, you know. Because remember, we can only be at one place at a time in our physical flesh. But the internet and all the things them come there. For all I can if you put our music out there same way. You know, if you rise up, man, make we rise up Rastafari movements to the fullness. Me tried all of the place them from Bobo Hill, from upper earthquake, them upper pit 4. And the Rasta they now move right a pay fire. But so me know in the bag of talking, me just put in a song them and burn them. I want to share that video. Capleton, Sizzla, Luciano. All of the artists them, Rastafari, Fantan, Moja. Lift up the people them, the people them. Share the glory. Yeah. Remember Rastafari creed. All for one, one for all. Working in that manner, there be no failure. Let the hungry be fed, the naked be clothed, the sick nourished, the aged protected, and the infants cared for. I give thanks to the item. Yeah man, we go around there, everybody around a Shango have left with 1,000. May I tell you. So if 300 people come on if we day, we get 300,000. We go up a Kalanji, same way. But that is not the way to go forward, to make the movement move forward. In a Rastafari way. When we come together, we get more strength. So they must say, they must talk about them people there. Me I talk about all I Rasta them. We not help Rastafari. Bless upon yourself. Haile Selassie is the Almighty. I impress many night. Rastafari.
Alright, so once again, big up to Ishy. Me understand everything what she said. Totally understand where I come from, Queen. Seeing? But this is my opinion upon it still. Me agree when you say, yo, the artists them, you know, the veteran them, the one them we done make the way. Seeing? Could have set up some foundation, seeing build up some studios, you know, so that the youth them upcoming can have some studio figure voice. And cause I know every artist, you have enough talented young artists right now who come up when not have the resources for really go book studio time and stuff like that. So yeah, that would have worked good if a big artist, have some youth around him and know say, alright, you know, me have the studio phone so they can voice on the songs for the songs go road. Yeah, me agree with that part there. Me agree when you say the artists them fair set up some schools and stuff like that. Me agree with that part there. But Ishy, But let me make sure we make it clear so nobody no misunderstand me. This is my opinion. If an artist they run a big artist, I personally no feel like that should be that specific artist's responsibility for boss a artist. I feel like it's supposed to be your talent that speaks for you. So yeah, hanging around the artist is good in the sense that if the artist have a couple big shows, him can call you out and you run out on the stage and you showcase your talent to the audience, and then if your talent good enough, it takes you places. See it? But some artists feel like them feel just linger around big artists and say, yo, me and that man here apart, so yo, me must boss. No, me not feel like it's supposed to be an artist's responsibility for boss no artist with just a par around him. See it? Now him can give the limelight, him can expose you to fame fan base, fame audience. Yeah. Now, the difference coming in my opinion, again, is if that artist, that big artist, is also a producer or him have him own label and him say, alright then, me I go sign you. If him say, alright, me I go be the one to sign you, me responsible for put you a road, that is where the difference come in my opinion. Now people, if you not agree with me, talk to me down below. If you disagree with me, talk to me down below. Also, more you comment down below and tell me, which artist in full opinion never boss an artist before? More than love to know. Tell me in the comment section. Which artist you know of where big, but never ever put an artist a road where you know about? More than love to get to know feedback down below in the comment section. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.